Hello everyone, welcome to Living the Home Life. It's a warm morning after so many gloomy days. I went straight to the kitchen and today I am making dosas, and instead of regular chutney I am making tomato curry for a change, and here is the recipe for it. It is very simple. In a pan add some oil, cumin seeds, fine chopped onions, slit green chilies, curry leaves and fine chopped tomatoes and saute them until they are cooked. I will add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and saute them well again. In a mixie jar, I've added some coconut pieces, some tomatoes and fennel seeds and make it into a paste. Add it to the curry, then add some salt and mix it well and let it cook for 2 minutes. And that's it, the curry is ready and it tastes really good and tangy. Goes nicely with crispy dosas and it was done in 15 minutes. Later in the day, we were heading to Koramangala for some work. We used to live in this area before Atharv was born and it's absolutely beautiful. I lived here for 7 years or more and I still miss this place. It's very calm and full of trees. When we used to live here, we often went to this cafe called the Hole in the Wall on the weekends, so we decided to go there for lunch. They have moved to a bigger place now. We ordered some farmer's breakfast, Sunday morning breakfast, cookie, milkshake and pressed Leches Pancake. Very delicious and absolutely loved everything. It felt so good. The vibe is very vintage and rustic. We came back home from there and went for a walk as usual, and since we had a big lunch I decided to make some masala curd rice. Keep it very simple. It's a very easy and quick but yummy dish. I have mashed the cooked rice. In a tadka pan, I am frying some cashews to add it later, and added some mustard seeds and chana dal, green chilies, curry leaves. That's for the tadka, and then I added curd to the mashed rice and added the tadka as well. I also added chopped onions and mixed it really well. Then added salt and cashews and mixed it again. That's it. It's super quick and very easy to make. And that is it for today's video. Let me know if you have tried any of these recipes in the comments, and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.